Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Sidebird AI and how you can use it to monetize your X or Twitter account in 2025. So Sidebird AI is a powerful tool that helps creators turn their Twitter content into income through newsletters, funnels, paid subscriptions, and affiliate promotions. In 2025, Sidebird's onboarding is super simple. You connect your X account and it immediately analyzes your most engaging tweets. It then recommends monetization strategies like content offers, lead magnets, or selling products via bio links. One of its best features is the AI-powered auto DM funnel. When users engage with your tweets, they get a personalized message directing them to your paid offer or sign-up page. Sidebird also integrates with ConvertKit, Gumroad, Beehive, and other tools. You can track open rates, clicks, and purchases all inside one dashboard. Another standout this year is the AI Content Planner. It suggests tweet topics, schedules them, and syncs them to your newsletter or offers, so your funnel stays active 24/7. However, monetization depends on audience quality. So if your followers are not aligned with what you are offering, the results may be limited. And Sidebird is best for creators with at least 2,000 engaged followers. Still, for serious creators in 2025, Sidebird is one of the smartest ways to turn your tweets into income. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.